Hello, welcome back to another great opportunity, especially for those looking to begin their journey in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today, we have CompIndia Infotech Private Limited, which is a fast-growing technology company based in Chennai. It serves as a dedicated development center for Indizen.com, CompIndia.us, and AppDevelopment.com. With over 13 plus years of experience, CompIndia has built a strong reputation for delivering websites, mobile apps, and enterprise software to clients across the globe. And now they are looking to bring fresh, motivated talent to join their growing team and contribute to exciting new AI and ML projects. Coming to the role, this is a full-time role based in Chennai. It's ideal for freshers or those with up to 1 year of experience. As a machine learning engineer at CompIndia, you will research and build machine learning models, collaborate with the product teams, and solve real-world problems using AI. Now, what kind of professional is CompIndia looking for? They need someone with bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. Strong problem solving and communication skills are essential. You should be comfortable with tools like Python, SQL, and have a basic understanding of machine learning. And if you have done projects, internships, or participated in Kaggle competitions, that's a definite plus. So here are 5 tips for you to crack this role. Here's tip number 1. Strengthen your basics in Python and SQL. Start by learning the fundamentals. You don't need to be an expert, just focus on writing clean working code. For SQL, go to websites like LeetCode or StrataScratch and solve beginner level queries. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day makes a difference. And coming to Python, use Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook to write scripts, clean some public data, maybe even calculate simple metrics like averages or trends. Focus on understanding loops, functions, pandas, and basic logic. Here's tip number 2. Build small machine learning models using real-world datasets. You don't need a fancy project, just start simple. If you're an Odin grad, you have access to many study materials and mocks, which will be a good start. But if you're not, go to Kaggle, download a dataset, and try building a basic model using Scikit-learn. For example, it could be a price prediction model or something like classifying customer reviews as a positive or negative. Coming to tip number 3, showcase participation or AI internships. Here's the thing, companies love candidates who have taken initiative outside the classroom. So if you haven't already, sign up on Kaggle and complete at least 1 to 2 beginner competitions. Attend weekly contests on HackerRank and earn badges. Tip number 4. Here's tip number 4. Stay updated with machine learning trends via blogs, podcasts, or newsletters. This is one of the easiest way to stay sharp. Follow pages like Towards Data Science and subscribe to newsletters like The Batch by Andrew Ng. And if you enjoy podcasts, check out Lex Fridman or Practical AI. You will get great insights while you're walking, commuting, or just relaxing. This helps you sound more aware, more up to date, and that makes a strong impression. Here's the last but very important tip. Practice explaining your projects with clarity and context. This one is often overlooked, but it's super important. Take one of your projects and try explaining it to someone who's not from tech. Can they understand what you did and why it mattered? If yes, you're on the right track. It builds your confidence and shows you can communicate ideas clearly, which is exactly what companies want. So, these are the 5 tips, but don't just memorize them. Act on them. Pick one to start with day and build on it consistently. That's how you move from learning to landing the role. So those were the 5 tips. Don't just memorize them, act on them. Pick one to start with a day and build on it consistently. That's how you move from learning to landing the role. So, are you ready to kickstart your machine learning career with structure, mentorship, and hands-on experience? This is your chance to grow with CompIndia Infotech and take your first big step into the world of machine learning. For more opportunities, click the link in the description. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.